Hi, and thanks for clicking on my video. So as you can see here on the table, we have a bunch of phone holders, but to keep this video short, I will just show you three of them. Let's call this video part 1, and let's just focus on the tripods while leaving the wearables to part 2. So first, we will unbox the tripods and assess the quality of the package, then move to the products themselves. The price factor is very important for me, so I try to find the best and cheapest deals possible. I guess each one of us has his own reasons for using a phone holder. Nowadays, phone cameras became so great that you can actually use them instead of buying an expensive camera, especially for amateurs and those who just got started and wanted to learn without spending crazy money on professional cameras. Here, as you can see, I just want to use the phone holder to record myself playing games across my 6 monitors. For example, this is where the first phone holder comes handy, so let's check it out. So here is the first package. As you can see, it is well packaged. When I went back to Uncle Ali to check the name of the lesson, you wouldn't believe it's so long. It says something like flexible arm tripod for phone stand table folded anchor online desktop laptop video live overhead shot photography. Oh boy, they always do that just to make sure that they will show up on the Google search first. So as you can see, this is the package. This is the flexible arm. And next we will pick up the Bluetooth remote controller. It works on iOS and Android. As you can see, it has two buttons, and this is its manual. So basically you are getting the full experience as if you just bought the product yourself, so you can assess if you want to buy it or not. I really hate it when I see a product I want to buy but I'm not sure about the items provided in the box. Then I come to check YouTube unboxing videos that's supposed to show you everything, and the videos end up being a waste of time. This little piece, you can buy it separately for like $5 or $7 alone, but they included it in the package. As you can see, it gives you great freedom into like turn your phone anywhere you want, landscape or portrait or anywhere you want to really. Next we have the actual phone holder. You basically just put your phone there. You can extend it if your phone is wide. It has two threads if you want to put your phone portrait or on landscape. And this is the actual base. You basically fix this on the side of the table with that thread, and then you put the arm on it. And here, as you can see, this is the actual arm. So these are basically all the items you can find in the package. Next we'll be assembling it, so let's do it. Now let's start with the base. As you can see, this is the base. You should keep that screw or circle empty. Now let's put it on the side table. As you can see, I don't have enough clearance on the side table, but I will try and manage to fix it there. Just do it slowly so you won't end up breaking it. Now let's move to the arm itself. Just screw it there and make sure that it is sturdy and not moving. And after that, we move to the head itself and just screw the phone holder. As you can see, the phone holder has two sides where you can screw it on, whether you want to use it horizontally or vertically. And this is how it looks after fixing it. As I said before, you can also screw it on the other side, and this is how it looks. Now I will fix this ball piece and you will see that we can tilt the phone to different direction other than just horizontally or straight vertical. And this is how it looks at the end. I'm only providing extra footage to those who are clueless on how to construct it and how to use it. Now, let's check the Bluetooth remote controller. As you can see, it supports iOS as well as Android. It doesn't need an app to work. Here, you can supply it with a battery. Mine already came with one. The button with which you turn it on and off is here. Once it's on, you can see the blue light signaling, which means it's waiting for pairing with the phone. Now, let's connect it with the phone. It's plug and play. Just turn it on and pair it. The name is AB Shutter 3. Now let's try it. You can hear the shutter sound whenever I take a picture. So listen. So in normal situations, you must have the table in the middle of the room so you can change the arm location. But in my scenario, I can only put the arm on the right side of the table while north and east are blocked. And as you can see, this piece only has a screw on the right side and back, not forward, which means I can only shoot videos in vertical. So I took a rotating phone holder from another package, and as you can see, I can keep the arm on the right side of the table while shooting horizontally. Again, this rotating piece does not come in the arm package. I'm only showing it to demonstrate the different possibilities you have. Speaking of possibilities, I have been talking about it as if you can only use it to hold your phone, while if you look at the screw dimensions, you can see that you can screw any piece of equipment that supports it. So, if your microphone supports it, then you can use it too. So let's check mine. Here, as you can see, I'm using the classic Blue Yeti. and its hole is way bigger than the supported one on the arm. Unfortunately, I don't have either this or this, so I can convert it and make it work for the sake of this demonstration. But you got the idea. Any supported hardware should work. Let me bring my Logitech C920 from the Valley of the Dead and test it instead. As you can see, the C920 has the same diameter, so it should work. By the way, I glued the piece for camera on it since I lost its own stand. Now, let's fix it on the arm. I wanted to show the tripods right away, but Cat wants food. If you like the content so far and think that Cat deserves this fish, then hit the like and subscribe button. The topics I'm interested in are PC hardware, Windows debloat, AI tools, as well as built-in PC setups. I can make videos faster if you suggest them in the comment section. After all, I'm just here to help you. We still have two phone holders to review, so let's do it fast before the cat gets hungry again. By the way, all the previous footage so far was shot with this cat. It will need more time to review with all the accessories, so we'll keep it for another video with the other wearables. Now, let's move to this simple selfie stick. So, even though it's just a basic selfie stick, it is still 10,000 times better than trying to fix the phone on a box or other stuff. Been using it for more than 4 years now, so I don't have the original package anymore. Got it for around $4 back in the day in a bundle. That's when you buy multiple items and they remove the extra shipping cost so you can ship for free. It doesn't make sense getting a selfie stick without a Bluetooth controller, right? As you can see, the controller has a single button. A round battery like the one I showed before, even though it does not come with it. And the phone will detect it with the selfie stick name right away. You can always hold the selfie stick when you're vlogging outside. Now we are going to put it on the table, so let's check those legs out. And the fill light has two basic levels. You only use the cable while charging it. Okay, now let's see if I can review the last one in under 2 minutes. If you want to spend the minimum on a taller and bigger tripod, then this is actually the one. I couldn't believe when I saw it for $10, so I smashed the buy button as if it was my alarm clock on a Monday morning. Tell me why. Anyways, what I like about this one is the fact that it came in its own bag, and inside we can find a phone holder, of course. The Bluetooth controller same as the first one. And here is the actual tripod itself. This one doesn't need any introduction really. It's just something really cheap that you can use till you make enough money to buy a high quality one. I guess I'm talking about myself here.